Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick New Year's Eve eyeshadow look, a quick sort of tutorial video. As you can see, I've already showed you a couple of the things that I'm going to be using in today's video. I am going to shut my mouth and just play some music, and I hope you enjoy the video. Happy New Year and have a great day. Bye.
you keep playing boy, walking around like you're some kind of star. Yeah, you're talking sweet, pulling strings, but I know there's always something up your sleeve. So I won't listen to a word you speak anymore. Oh no, 'cause you only bring me down. But now I am gonna fly. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. You gotta face the facts one of these days when your luck has run out. But don't you come crawling back, 'cause you know we're through. Oh yeah, 'cause you only cloud my eyes so that I can see the sky. You're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. I'm throwing all your dirty laundry out the door. There's nothing left to say. Your actions said it all. Oh yeah. Oh, hey, you're gonna be loveless when you're without me. You're gonna regret it sooner or later. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that, but don't you know what goes around comes back around? You're gonna be loveless sooner or later. Yeah, sooner or later. Oh, you're acting all tough, you think you're all that. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that. You're acting all tough, you think you're all that. You're gonna be loveless sooner or later.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh. Oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you.
Hey YouTube, I had to add this little clip into the video because I was starting to edit my video and I noticed that I did not finish blending my eyeshadow out. So I just wanted to come and bring you a little clip to let you know that I did blend out. I put a little bit more risky, which is that dark brown on the outer third of my eyes to sort of blend out where you could see that the glitter had stopped. So this, and it's hard to see, this is the final look. And I took that red off only because like right now I'm in the house. I didn't want that matte red on my lips. So what I put on is the Becca Glow Gloss, and this is in Chocolate Geode. So that is what I have on my lips now, and I actually kind of like it better than I like that red. So YouTube, this is actually the final look. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already, and that is my makeup chair right there. If you are already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and may your day be as flawless as your makeup. Also, Happy New Year's to everybody watching this video. Bye.